See, this is what happened when I was receiving a phone call. I don't know where this sound is coming from. I have the engine off and I'm turning off the display. Let's see. Doesn't want to turn off. So that's what's going on with it. It just keeps on making that noise. It was when I received a phone call and I was trying to answer it, and it didn't want to connect to the phone, or it wasn't going through. And now it just keep on. It's making this noise now. I have no idea where it's coming from. No idea. So I'm gonna try to turn it off, see what happens. If I turn it off, it's just gonna, if I lock the doors. Hey, look at that. Doesn't want to turn off. See, I just closed the doors. Let's see. Oh, I just do not want my battery to die out because I'm already at work.